Hi, Andy Chick, Director of Marketing for Independent Electric. I'm joined today by
Chris Hill. I'm sales out of our Turlock office.
Thank you, Chris, for coming in today. We wanted to talk to you about this wonderful product from our friends at Hubbell RACO. Looks pretty simple, but what's the advantage of this hinged mud ring?
So Hubbell has come out with a new labor-saving, time-saving mud ring. It's available in a 1/2 inch to 1 inch in a single gang and 2 gang format.
Chris, what is the advantage to the electrician?
So the electrician is going to be able to go in, install their ring, install the device, use 2 hands, install the wires, close it up, seal the box.
Bada bing, bada boom. So in addition to the hinged mud ring, RACO also offers an adjustable mud ring. Can you tell me a little bit about these, Chris?
These unique mud rings adjust from 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 depth. The adjustment screws stay visible after devices are installed.
Sounds like another great product from our friends at RACO. Thanks for coming in today, Chris.
Thanks, Andy.
You're welcome, buddy. For this and all your RACO products, be sure to visit your local independent electric or go to iesupply.com today. Have a great day.